So I've got these bone conduction waterproof headphones. They have 20 hours battery. Of course they're sweatproof because they are waterproof, and they are lightweight, and you can use them like when running, so you can hear like the cars and everything around you. So let's start to unbox them and check them out. Okay, let's see what's inside. As you can see here on the side, we have noise cancelling microphones. It says here 14 hours battery life, but if you listen to like half the volume, you'll get more, like I said, 20 hours. Premium sound quality, chargeable protection, and you can use it while running, riding, climbing, or driving. There we go. If you want that, you have this for like if you don't want to hear around you. You have this USB-C charging cable, the manual, and you also have a pouch with them. So let's take them out of the pouch. There we go. And we've got two buttons here, plus, minus. We have the charging port right here. As you can see, it's covered, so it's waterproof, and that's about it. Let's connect them with the phone. All right, let's turn them on. So if I press the volume up button, there's a small light right there. I'm not sure if you can see, there's one right there, and it will start blinking green and red, and it says pairing. So let's pair it right here with the phone, and as you can see, i18 Pro there will connect to it, and then we can just put it just like that. It's straight on the bone here. Here you can see the sides, how it looks, and as you can see, it stays here because it has this design to stay on the ears, and it connects with your bone right here, so you'll feel the music in the bones, conducting through the bones. Let's play something. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. You can listen to the music as well while running, and you can hear everything around you as well because the ear is not covered, which is great for people that run, cycle, and climb, or you can use it while driving, or you can go to gym and use it. It's really great.